I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites so nothing trivial blocks progress. First, make sure Windows has the latest cumulative updates installed. Updates often fix taskbar regressions. Once done, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to reload the shell. This quick step resolves many freezes because it rebuilds the UI process. If you have third-party shell extensions or extra input devices, disconnect them and close their apps to isolate causes before moving to deeper fixes. Next, run system integrity tools so you repair corrupted files that break the taskbar. Launch command prompt as admin and run sfc/scano. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore component store health. Then create a new local admin account to see if the problem is profile specific. If the taskbar works there, your original user profile needs repair. Also inspect Start, Cortana, and Shell extension services. Disabling problematic extensions often clears hangs. To finish, aim for a repair that preserves settings. Perform an in-place upgrade/repair install using the Windows 10 installation media. This replaces system files without harming your data. If that fails, back up your files and try system restore to an earlier point or a clean install as a last resort. If issues continue, boot into safe mode, review Event Viewer for error ID, and document those codes before seeking specialist help. That evidence speeds targeted fixes and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.